So you want to use your communication channels to spread your story. And so this is a reminder sometimes of all the places that we are connecting with, being discovered with, everything. And I do think it's really important that you do add your story. So someone said, should you add your story to an e-commerce site? Absolutely, Teresa. I'm going to show you an example of that in just a minute. But yes, because don't put just your product there with like size and shape and what it's made out of. You want to put the emotional reasons why you created it, what connects. And I was looking at a site the other day, and I really love the fact that they put not only the story behind it, but they weren't afraid to use other things in there as well. So I think it's important that, yes, this story goes everywhere. And so when you, and I have a couple more examples to show you, but again, sort of step back and say, you know, once I create my story, this list, this one, like print this out, put it on the wall. And this is super important because then you have to remember every place you have to make sure your story is there and it's consistent. Extremely important to be consistent.